She has the hiccups. Autumn. Autumn. Say hi. What was that? Hi. You got the hiccups.